Hi everyone, this is Mustafa Al-Bermawi from No Good. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly how the LinkedIn algorithm really works and how to get the most engagements on your post and potentially even go viral. LinkedIn's home feed is central to LinkedIn as a product. It controls who sees your post and the amount of reach each and every post gets. As you all know, LinkedIn has become increasingly powerful with 600 million users globally. It's proven to be very effective for professional networking, sales, and hiring. It's a platform that you simply can no longer ignore. But this steady increase in users, activities, and engagement makes it harder and harder for your post to be seen and engaged with. So here's exactly how the LinkedIn's algorithm work based on posts and graphs that are published by LinkedIn themselves. So it's a full algorithmic cycle of 4 stages that each and every post goes through. So let's go through each and every stage one by one and figure out what actually goes into each and every stage. So starting with stage 1, each post immediately goes through a spam filter that determines whether the content is a spam content or whether you are a spammy user or not. And to pass this stage, simply don't be a spammer. In stage 2, once LinkedIn has determined that your content is not a spam, it leaves it on the feed temporarily to measure relevancy and quality. Indicators of initial engagement from your audience, such as likes, comments, or share, will signal that your content is good enough quality to pass to the next filter and stay for longer. So if your network flags or hide the post because they don't want to see it, the algorithm would draw more negative conclusions at this stage. And if for some reason your content gets placed in the low quality category, you may still have hope and advance to the next stage. But relevant quality content will be displayed to a broader audience than low quality content. To avoid having the algorithm flag you as low quality, don't overpost, don't post anything annoying or offensive, don't be a copycat or at least a late one. Maintain a high quality network, don't add random people that will never engage with your posts. Post content relevant to your network only, be timely, not all content is good at all times. Now we're at stage 3, and at this stage, after your network engaged with your content to signal its quality score, your post goes through an algorithmic quality check. The algorithm again looks for clues as to the quality of the posters and the posters' networks to determine if the post is a spam or not. I believe this stage was made to combat like-to-like networks where friends can basically post a garbage and get a bunch of other friends to like and comment on the post right away. And that stage will eliminate that. Besides checking your account and network stability, the algorithm will also determine the usefulness and relevancy of the post to your network. At this stage also, the algorithm could decide to demote your content and send it back to the queue to prove further engagement from your network. And here's a pro tip to make it through the past 2 stages. Actually make sure to post at the right time and get as much engagement early on of the lifetime of the post as you can. This way your post can actually make it through these 2 stages. Getting as much engagement as you can early on in the lifetime of the post will help you make it through these past 2 stages. Now we're at the final stage, and this one is actually unique to LinkedIn as it uses humans to review content. This stage is when human reviewers review your content and determine whether your content is noteworthy or not. If your post continues to get engagement, the cycle continues and it continues to getting shown. This is why sometimes you see posts in your feed that are weeks and months old with tons of likes and comments. These types of highly circulating posts are the dream of many LinkedIn influencers. And to get there, you need the following: consistent, relevant quality content, high credibility profile, a highly engaged network, which of course takes time and dedication to build. Thank you and see you soon. Thank you.